As it is early morning, the roads are empty and this is a clock tower. So guys, we reached RK beach. This place is so cool and beautiful. So guys, it is actually parking area of this hotel. This parking is pretty safe, and thanks to the hotel people for giving this parking area. And now we are off to beach. Let's go. Good morning to everyone. The time right now is like approximately 5:10 in the morning. So now we are heading to beach, which is RK beach in Vizag. So as it is early morning, the roads are empty and so this is a clock tower. Looks nice. So guys, we reached RK beach. It is looking really beautiful, guys. Honestly, this place is so cool and beautiful. People walking and jogging around. Look at the beach, guys. Really excited to watch. And here is our friend who came with us. Coco Arena. Whoa.
So guys, what is up? So I just want to update something about day 2, which means I did not log in the day 2 much, and the day 2 went like as we rode Hyderabad to Vizag, like 600 kilometers approx. And the next day is like day 2. Day 2 is like we did nothing. Like we went just to RK Beach nearby, which is nearby our hotel. At like 5:30 we like that we started. So from the hotel we went to RK Beach, and we had fun on the beach. And from there we went to a another viewpoint, which is beach view, which is like as you saw previously. And after that viewpoint we went back to hotel, and we took rest almost whole day. And evening I went to nearby beach, and my friend went to another place. I don't remember exactly. And mainly day 2 went like this. I did not vlog in the day 2 because we were taking rest whole day. So guys, so this is about day 2. As well as I uploaded this vlog pretty late because I had some exams these few days, like between 5 days. So that's why I'm uploading this vlog. I uploaded this vlog a bit late. I'm really sorry for that, for the people who waited. And really thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you like the video, please do like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this guys. And spread love and peace. Thank you.